Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I bring you the Alpha. What is it? 1015? Oh, that one looks strange. Well, so let's see what we can do with this lock. Looks kind of twisted. I don't know. Anyways. $15 millimeters. I just noticed it is not a brass shackle. All the others are brass. Well, that's too bad. So let's see what we can do here. Let me find a good tension wrench. I had one. Where is it? There it is. There we go. Well, that was rather quick for first time I put a pick in here. So let's try this again for a little speed pick attempt. Only 3 pins, not too hard here. Let's do one more. It wasn't too fast. Well, there was too much tension on it. Let us try something different. It doesn't go in, okay. That might work. We will see. 1 or 2 more tries and you will be done with this little video. Might be faster. Not yet, but method. So I think I had too much tension on it right now, so let's reduce it a little. Nah, it's too sticky. Alright, there was 1 or 2 good picks, that's fine. Well, this was the Alpha 1015. It's the smallest right now you can get. They had 10mm, but they discontinued it. So, well, that's the smallest right now. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.